So I want to make a video on if you cut a small tree for like a bedroom or a small little living area, how to build a form and to be able to put it in water. So I leave about that much, which is just over 2x4 length. I'm not going to go through all the cuts, I already did it. Basically this is 12 inches, everything is very rough. I just wanted it to hold something. Then I measured my base of my trunk, which is 2 1/4 inches. So I made sure it was 2 1/4. And I just nailed these. As you see, it's very, very rough. I'm not looking for perfection on this. So now I'm going to take the tree trunk and we're going to slide it down onto this. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here I've got my tree light out here. Take this, simply just stick it in there and kind of twist it, tap it on like that. And then once you have that on there, I take a pie plate, because they are about the thickness of a 2x4, as you see. We're going to cut those into 3-inch blocks, which I did, and those are going to go underneath the form, and then the tree trunk, which is long enough, will sit in here in water. And I'll show you what that looks like. And there you have it. As you can see, those fit there, and the tree, this will get full of water. You'll still be able to drink, you'll still be able to water it. And it's pretty sturdy, as you can see, no problem. So next time, that's how you do it, and you still can make them drink water. Alright, hope you enjoyed.